Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the fascinating stories from the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm excited to share with you today's tale of how wastewater intelligence is being used to predict the emergence of a deadly fungus. Imagine a microorganism so resilient it can survive in even the most hostile environments. Candidozyma auris, or C. auris for short, is a type of fungus that has been making headlines in recent years due to its ability to resist even the strongest antifungal medications. This highly contagious and sometimes deadly pathogen has been spreading rapidly across healthcare facilities worldwide, leaving a trail of infected patients in its wake. But what if we could predict where and when C. auris would strike next? That's exactly what a team of researchers has been working on, using an innovative approach called wastewater intelligence. By analyzing the genetic material present in wastewater samples from healthcare facilities, they've been able to identify the presence of C. auris and track its spread. This breakthrough has significant implications for public health, as it could allow hospitals to take proactive measures to prevent outbreaks and protect their patients. The researchers behind this study have developed a sophisticated system that can detect even tiny amounts of C. auris DNA in wastewater samples, providing an early warning system for healthcare facilities. As we delve deeper into the world of wastewater intelligence, we'll explore the cutting-edge technologies being used to analyze these complex systems and the insights they're providing into the secret lives of microorganisms like C. auris. From the pipes beneath our cities to the hospitals where we're treated, the natural world is full of fascinating stories waiting to be uncovered. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we continue our journey through the fascinating world of wildlife, we find ourselves in the lush forests of Hawaii, where a most intriguing phenomenon has been observed. It appears that some of the island's native bird species have taken to stealing from each other. Specifically, they're pilfering twigs and other nesting materials from one another's nests. This behavior, known as kleptoparasitism, has been documented in over 200 native canopy nesting birds on the Big Island, including the apapane, the iiwi, and the Hawaii ayamakihi. As we delve deeper into this story, we learn that the thieves and the victims are often from the same species, with the apapane being the most common culprit. It's a risky behavior, as stealing nesting material can lead to the introduction of disease or parasites, not to mention the potential for violent confrontations with the wronged bird. And yet, despite these risks, the birds seem to be willing to take the chance, perhaps due to the scarcity of suitable nesting materials or safe nesting sites. The researchers behind this study, led by Erin Wilson Rankin and her husband David Rankin, have shed new light on this behavior, which was previously only anecdotal. By tracking and quantifying the thefts, they've been able to identify patterns and trends that could inform conservation strategies for these vulnerable species. As Wilson Rankin notes, this kind of behavior could be more common if nesting materials or safe nesting sites become scarce. It's something we should measure. As we consider the implications of this study, it's clear that the pressures facing Hawaii's native bird populations are complex and multifaceted. Habitat loss, disease, climate change, all these factors are taking a toll on these remarkable creatures. And yet, by understanding behaviors like kleptoparasitism, we may be able to develop more effective conservation strategies, ones that take into account the intricate social dynamics of these bird communities. As we prepare to move on to our final story of the day, I'm reminded of the importance of continued research and observation in the natural world. By exploring the fascinating lives of creatures like Hawaii's forest birds, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of ecosystems and the interconnectedness of all living things. Welcome back to Nature Walk. As we conclude our journey through the fascinating realm of environmental science and natural history, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the interconnectedness of all living things. From the majestic forests of Hawaii, where we explored the intricate lives of forest birds, to the broader ecological patterns that govern our planet, it's clear that every species plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of life. As we've discussed throughout this episode, human interaction with nature is a complex and multifaceted issue. On one hand, our actions have led to significant environmental challenges, from climate change to habitat destruction. And yet, as we've seen time and again, even in the face of adversity, the natural world has an incredible capacity for resilience and adaptation. One of the key takeaways from our exploration of Hawaii's forest birds is the importance of conservation efforts. By protecting and preserving habitats, we can help ensure the long-term survival of species that might otherwise be threatened by human activities. This not only benefits the environment, but also has a positive impact on local ecosystems and the people who depend on them. As we look to the future, it's essential that we continue to prioritize environmental stewardship and sustainability. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, from reducing our carbon footprint to supporting organizations dedicated to conservation, we can all play a role in protecting the natural world. In conclusion, our journey through the world of nature has reminded us of the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of the environment. From the intricate social behaviors of forest birds to the majestic landscapes that shape our planet, every aspect of the natural world is worthy of our appreciation and respect. As we go about our daily lives, let us not forget the importance of preserving the delicate balance of ecosystems and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. By working together to address environmental challenges and promote sustainability, we can ensure a brighter future for all living things. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.